Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, what do we got here? We got everybody loves bacon. We got some gorgeous sourdough bread. Yeah, it's gorgeous. We've got some. These are pasture-raised eggs. I'm only going to use a few of them, but just to see you. This is, again, the best. This is Vital Farms. You got it pasture-raised. These are the best eggs that you can get outside of having a chicken coop outside your house. A little butter, and that's it. Mike Foster here. How you doing? Today, it's another one of my simple recipes. I'm doing these simple egg recipes that they're delicious. They're fast, simple, and easy. Hopefully they're popular with you guys. Try them. They're very easy to do. This is my scrambled egg and bacon over toast. That sounds good, doesn't it? And I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat. Check it out. All right, we got a medium pan. I'm going to put some butter in there. This is how you make scrambled eggs, guys. If you want to see a full video on how you make fast, simple, and easy scrambled eggs, it's going to be on the link below and in the cards. And I'm telling you, it's a new way of doing it, and it works. Then what you do next is these are 4 eggs that have already been cracked open, and you're putting them in whole. What, Mike? What do you mean whole? That doesn't make any sense. And then what you do is you wait for them to solidify like this, and then you start. Oh, you turn them from fried. You integrate them. Look at this, like this. I'm not kidding about this. Now this is cooking a little slower than I like, so put up the heat just a little and jam these babies around. Look at it. Look at it. Now since the camera's over here, I'm gonna do it lefty. And you just keep folding them in. You fold them in. Believe it or not, look how fast those guys cook. See that? You fold them in. See how fast it is? Isn't that cool? Now this is where you would add cheese if you wanted it. I'm not going to put cheese in this. You can add some, I just lowered that to low, by the way. You can add some pepper and salt if you want. I'll add a little pepper later. But look how fast that cooked. See that? Fluffy, perfect, fast, simple, and easy. Shut that baby off. Those babies are done. See that? That's gorgeous. Look at that. All right, let's assemble this fine mess. All right, there's the toast fresh out of the toaster. And here's the butter. Put it on, lather it on, slather it on. Make sure it's buttery. This recipe, as simple as it is all about butter and sourdough toast. That gives it the crunch. Look at that. That baby's ready. Then you take your bacon. We got 2 pieces here. You don't want to be a slob and put more than that in there. That's perfect. I think it is. Some people may argue, but people argue all the time. Then you take the scrambled eggs, put those babies right up. Oh, yeah, right on top like that. I'm not kidding about this part. And then, oh yeah, pat it down. Looks pretty good. Guess what? I'm not using fresh cracked pepper. I'm just using just a little pepper like this. And if people don't like it, then well, I guess they should watch, Gordon Ramsay, I guess. There's your close-up. Big bite coming up. All right, there it is. Scrambled eggs and bacon on toast. Is it simple? Of course. But is it delicious? And I showed you how to do it. Well, I'm going to find out right now. You see, I got it. I got the bacon. It's a very wiper. It's a chewer. That's awesome. That's it. That's perfect. Oh, you can taste the bacon. The sourdough's great. The butter's buttery. The eggs are just, look at these eggs. They're just gorgeous. So try Gonna make eggs that way, scrambled. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 on YouTube. Tell people about it. I think they'll like it. Subscribe. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Let me see where I'm going to do it. I'll do it like there. I gotta sing something for my wife. You think it's just me? It's both of us. Mm-hmm. There you have it, guys. I don't want to talk about a mouthful. It's disgusting. This will be for the outtakes. I like this shirt. One of my favorites. There you go. All right, jeez, my goodness, a lot of talking. Now it's time to get down to some eating. It flew all over the place. God, that didn't happen on camera. Oh, it did? Oh, okay. Bye-bye. And the sweet little baby babu. All right, it's time to go. Let me see a little more of the house. That's it. Oh my goodness, we're going in a circle. Oh, jeez. I gotta get my wife those eggs.